Good morning, friends. It's good to see you today. I hope you had a nice weekend. Welcome to day 8 of science. Today is a little bit different because there's no reading. Today you're going to summarize, resumir, everything that you know about asteroids. Let's look at day 8 activities. It says, make a poster about asteroids. Include pictures. Use your vocabulary and the information from the readings. Okay, so I'm going to say it in Spanish now so everyone understands. Hago un cartel sobre asteroids. Incluye dibujos. Use tu vocabulario y la información de las lecturas. ¿Cuáles lecturas? Las lecturas de día 7, día 6 y día 5 sobre asteroids. Okay, when you finish, as always, you can take a picture and send it to my email. Cuando terminas, puedes hacer una foto y mandármelo por email. Have a great day.